Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Karen.
Hello.
And we have a brand new As Seen on TV launch for you. This is Seasonal Adventures. We have this amazing launch to share with you today. So this is an As Seen on TV launch. That means that it has already been on with Jodie. And if you didn't catch that, do go back onto the Create and Craft website.
You do need to. So many demonstrations and you'll be able to see so many of these up close.
Exactly.
It'll be good to watch.
We'll do a quick run through for you now. So should we have a look at the die set first of all?
So it is a big die set. You do have your A4 die set, but all of the pieces in the A4 die set are small.
Yes.
They'll all fit through your big shot.
Yeah, so it would be it would work for.
Let me do this sideways because it's a little bit big for the screen. But yes, you do get your packaging. Obviously, you've got a bit of inspiration on there. Just made 3 for the packaging. Unfortunately, even though we have 8 different themes.
Yep.
Oh, 7. We've got Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas.
We have
7 themes. So there's plenty to make with it, and we'll just run through those. So those are the 3 that we made for packaging. You can see your die breakdown there, and you do get instructions on how to put it together, but it is the simplest thing in the world. So starting from the top here, we'll have a little look at the sentiments. So these actually fit into the little license plate, the little number plate on the back
Not
of
so
your
little
truck.
number plate, honestly.
Actually, no, it's a decent size, and it's just because we wanted to be able to see the word in. So, you know, it is a big part of the die set. So you've got Merry Christmas, Hello Summer, which is nice. Isn't that nice? Happy Holidays, Happy Halloween, Happy Easter, Happy Birthday, Hello Spring. Then down here, you've got Just Married. So there are a couple of little dies in here that may not be evident as to what they are.
I mean, first of all, we should probably mention this makes a little 3D truck.
Oh, yes, yes, it does. It does. Hole in a Christmas tree.
Hole in, exactly.
Hole in a Christmas tree. Right, so you do have all of these themes to decorate your truck. So this is your truck front. This is your truck back. You have, what am I looking for? This is the bumper. You've got a little round
license
plate bit for the bumper, but you know, this is the one that we're more interested in. You've got the little, what would you call that on the back of a truck? You know the little red trucks holding Christmas trees?
It's kind of like a fence, but on your truck.
Yeah, that little fancy bit. So you've got that as well here. Oh, here.
Yep.
You could just spy it through the camera there. You do have, this makes the base of your truck. These make the sides of your truck. And then it's just such a simple thing to go together. It's amazing. It really, really is. So you've got, should we go through them? Halloween. So you've got bats. There's 2 different bats. You've got some ghosties here and here. Pumpkin. You have your pumpkins. You have some leaves as well to make that nice autumn themed truck there. Then we'll nip on to Christmas because I can see so many things. Halloween, you've got your cat. Yep. You've got your black cat as well. So you've got your Christmas tree, candy cane.
Striped and unstriped.
Striped and unstriped, yes, so you can put a layer underneath. You've got, you can do Christmas bells, obviously, even though you can also do them for wedding. But you've got a bow to go on top of the bells. You've got
gifts.
gifts. We love a gift. You've got some bunting as well, which could be any season. So for weddings then, you've got the bells and you've got...
Also in Christmas, these are skis, right?
Yes, no. This
Or is
one.
that summer?
This one here. Oh, is it skis? Which one was it?
Because that's a stick, isn't it? That's
Yeah,
just ski stick.
ski stick.
I don't know what that's actually called, but it's now a ski
Ski
stick.
poles.
Yeah.
They are
I
just
guess that
poles,
would be
aren't
a
they?
ski. So what about the... Oh, that's your number plate.
That's the number plate bit.
So, yeah, that's the ski and a ski pole. Those are your number plates.
That's the number plates.
Yeah.
That's right. And I've also used that on the back of the truck here, like a little bit of, like it's a convertible something, and the roof has come down. I've used that as well. We have a bunny for Easter.
Yep.
With a basket and some eggs, and the solid egg is separate as well. So you can put a backing on any of these, or just cut it on its own. Oh, surfboard.
Yes.
Surfboard for summer, bucket and spade for summer. You've got balloons, any season.
And presents for birthday.
Yeah, any season again. You've got this lovely parasol here, which I love. And when you see some of the samples of this, it's been paper pieced beautifully. It's fabulous. Have we hit everything on here?
You've got your string of tin cans for
the
your
wedding.
Your wedding cart. You've also got a lovely pair of doves.
Yes, you do.
And of course the wedding bells.
Wedding bells.
Sorry,
that one.
doves. Actually on screen.
Yeah.
And then yes, wedding bells here.
But I love the fact that you've got things that appeal to all of them. So you've got the bunting.
Yeah.
Put it on anything.
Gifts. Could
Anything.
be any. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And you've just got little bits and pieces then to theme them for the different seasons.
And these for your wheels. They're your tyres.
These are the backs of the wheels, yeah, for you to be able to put some
them in a
nice
different colour.
black on there for the tyres.
Brilliant.
Yeah, lovely. Lovely. It's a fabulous die set. And when you see the samples, you will see how much fun the design team
Oh yeah, I think you can always tell, we say this all the time, you can tell when the design team have really enjoyed a product by just how many, look at how many samples we've got here. It is insane. So Cam has very kindly set this up for us in tiers. So if I start with Christmas at the top, I'm just going to pluck 2 and we'll just go in seasons and we'll show you 2 of these. So I'm trying to think which way around would be best for. So it's, oh yeah, this way. It's kind of meant to be seen from the back, isn't it? So you're meant to see the front with the rear view mirror as the back panel. Yeah. So you're looking at the truck from behind, but you can obviously make them either
if you
way,
want to decorate the front,
is either way.
Yeah, it's been decorated both sides.
Yeah, and I love that. Yeah. And the same with this one, really. This one is also both sides.
And of course, because that Christmas tree has been cut
3D'd.
Yeah, 3D'd there. And a little bow put on top of it. It's beautiful. The samples, just, I can't say how lovely they are. The girls have just gone to town.
They really, really have.
It's fabulous.
That's some Christmas. If I switcheroo, let me grab a little Easter one for you. And here's another little Easter one for you.
So we'll go over here a bit with those. So we've got some Easter as well. We've got a little bunny with his face drawn on as well, which I love. So you can add so much to them, can't you? And again, the front of this one has been decorated as well. I was lazy, I didn't decorate my front. But this one has got another little bunny driving.
So one bunny's on the lookout, make sure no one is coming for the eggs.
Stealing the eggs. But yeah, so you've got your Happy Easter versions there.
Okay, switcheroo again. I've got to bring this in. So we're going for spring.
Okay. Oh, look at them.
And then summer.
What have I got over here? Don't forget I've got some over here
we'll
as well.
show the extended ones in a second.
Right, so we've got spring and summer as well. Hello spring, hello summer. Look at this parasol. Now that has just got pattern paper underneath the top layer, and the same with these surfboards.
Oh, I love the surfboards. They look realistic.
So good. So good. But you can just see the detail that goes into them. Look at the little lambs in there. Oh, little lambykins.
Cute.
Love them.
Okay, next row down, what have I got? Oh, I've got birthday on this one.
Oh.
Now this one is a real birthday party. Look at that.
Wow. Now that is stuffed to the gunnels. Look at that one. Wow. That's excellent. So this is to be seen from the front, because even though the back is decorated, you've actually got the back of the decorations.
The back of the party.
Yeah, the back of the party as well. So this one's to be viewed from the front there. We've got some acetate in the window and lots of gifts and balloons and bunting.
So it's kind of business up front, party in the back,
I
is what we're
would
saying with
say,
that one.
I would say definitely for this one. And then you've got the rear of this one, and I love, love, love the balloons and the gifts. Beautiful work. All of the design team have just outdone themselves.
Oh, they really have. I think the wedding
Can
ones...
we show the one on the card as well?
Yes.
What theme
I'll
is that
switch
one?
you
I
that
don't
one.
even know what theme that one
I
is.
think that one's by summary.
Oh, summary again. So we've got one on a card as well. And look at that beautiful background. I think that just looks amazing. So you can use the panels, but without putting the spacer pieces for the box, you just put foam pads
Yeah,
in between. It's so good.
I
So
really love that
good.
card.
I didn't even think to do that. That's our Shilpa that thought of that one. I love that Shilpa. Thank you.
We've got some amazing wedding ones
We
as
do.
well.
Let's bring some of those in. I've got one here, and I've got, look at this one. Wow.
And so, talking of those tin cans, so I don't know if this is a tradition that really travels everywhere. I hope it does. I hope it is something that makes sense to everyone. So, for newlyweds, when they leave in for the honeymoon, people tie empty tin cans to the back of the car. I think it is a thing that travels.
I'm looking for
It
one
was
of
in
the
Twilight, right? And that's an American film.
Oh,
so I'm guessing
there
that
you go.
it
I'm looking for
wasn't.
one of the summer ones, because one of the summer ones has got tin cans in that. So they've put the cans like cans of drink. So they've put label. I think it's Christine. Oh, that's what it is. I'm waiting for Christine's to come in.
Oh, there you go. That's why.
They're on their way. They're on their way. Yes, so Christine has used the cans and just snipped the end. So she's cut them in like a mirror card.
Nice.
And then she's cut it in paper and put the paper on top so it looks like a can of drink.
Amazing.
Really good, and it's in her summer themed one.
So this is Sue's, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah,
it is.
So if I just hold that up so you can see all those little tin cans, hopefully
Isn't that amazing?
they're in focus. But actually the little truck itself is just beautiful.
And
for
she's
this
put
one.
these onto wire.
I know, and this one is decorated again both sides.
Yeah,
Let me make
front
sure
and back.
we're not tangling the tin cans back there. And this one is from Vicky, and this does look like a wedding car, let's be honest, with all of that ribbon. You've got the lovely little doves in there again. We've got the little trail of tin
And if you
cans
turn it around, we've got ribbon on the front, you know, like they do that
on
from
the bonnet. Yeah, exactly.
Love it.
So cute.
Such a lot of work gone into them. They're amazing. Thank you very much, girls.
And then moving on from weddings to Halloween, that's a natural segue, right?
I think so. I think so. Do you want to do the normal Halloween ones? There's one on the end
yes,
there.
there is.
I've got one here.
Cute.
So this is one of the ones that I did for packaging. We've just got the pumpkin in his basket. I've trimmed the basket down so it's like a little bucket for the pumpkin to sit in. We've got some ghosts and some...
And can we just say, Karen shimmer powdered and made little trails of
I
leaves
did.
going behind the
It's
tyres.
coming off there.
Oh, no, that's
Oh yes, I need
it's all
to
popping off, mate.
repair. I need to do a repair job on that. And then this one is from our Shilpa, and she has got so much spookiness going on in here. Look at that.
That one is
fab?
definitely on the way to set up a haunted house, I think.
Absolutely it is. I love it, Shilpa. And I love the bit of inking on as well. You can just see around like that, look.
Distressed truck.
So good.
Love it.
So good.
But
Right.
a couple of people have also extended it.
Overachieving.
Yes.
We like to call it.
So what they've basically done, if I just rotate them this way, so you can see the side to start off with. Kind of looks like a four-poster bed.
It does. It does.
Oh, you could make a bed out of this.
Good.
Snip out the rear view mirror.
We've got
Candy canes in Halloween.
candy canes in Halloween. That's in the wrong place.
Yeah, it is. So basically, by cutting double of the side panels and gluing them together, you can make this bigger. So if you have a bigger gift to put in here, that's the way you do it. But then this one is from Sue, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be. Of course it is. But she's actually cut the base again and made a door that opens, and inside we have what is lovingly known as a bones man. or a skeleton if you're a normal person. But for those of us that forgot the word once upon a time, Bones Man. Yes, there we go. And even his little hands are just
poking out.
Opening the door. It's amazing. I love that one.
I love it. We also have an extended one from Vicky here, where she's got boop on the number plate, and you can see that she's got her 4-poster bed there.
Yep.
And both sides of that one spooky, and a nice little bit of yucky spiders in there. Oh, I don't like him. I don't like him, Vicky. I don't like him. So yeah, but you can get a bigger gift, more sweets, whatever you want to put in there. So that's Vicky's extended one, and then we have one more extended, and I think this one is Sue again. But look at the flowers on this. Right, this is going to be difficult to get in focus because it's so big. So look at the flowers on this one. You've got the parasols all paper pieced. You've got nice bit of paper inside there, all of these flowers, all of the parasols. Oh, I love it. Hello Spring. It is
clever.
Adorable. And so you cut so many flowers. I take my hat off to you. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much.
So this set is available from us now. Go and grab one quickly.
Oh.
I mean, just pause the video here, run and grab it, because I don't imagine this is going to be here for very long, honestly.
I don't think so.
It's too cute and there are too many options.
Yeah. It covers so many bases.
Exactly.
That's what it is, I think.
Exactly. Since it is available on our website, of course, that does mean if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you have your 10% TCK discount as well. So yeah, absolutely, chuck it in your basket. Add some cardstock while you're there, because you're definitely going to need some.
You are.
In all of these amazing shades. Think spring and summer, Halloween,
Christmas.
autumn, Christmas, wedding. You know, make sure you've got all of those bases covered.
But look how small the pieces are as well. I mean, you can just raid your scraps box.
Also that.
For all of these little bits, you only need your card for your main make.
Exactly. If you have added all of that cardstock and the die set to your basket, of course you can also pay in instalments on our website using ShopPay, ClearPay and PayPal at checkout. Pick whichever one works best for you. If you do grab this set and make some amazing projects, we would love to see them. So make sure you tag us in your makes. Yeah, we would love to see them, so you can put them either onto our Tonic Studios official Facebook group, or we are across social media. We are at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making.
Please do.
Give this video a thumbs up if this set is definitely on your wish list, or if you've just enjoyed us showing you all of these amazing samples. Give the design team some love.
Definitely.
Drop a comment below. Let us know, have you got a favourite of what you've seen?
Is there a favourite theme?
Is there a favourite theme? Exactly. Have you already got ideas churning away of what you're going to make? What are you going to put in them? I think gift cards would be
a good one.
Little chocolates, jewellery.
Oh, Christmas jewellery.
Christmas jewellery.
In the little red truck.
Hole in the Christmas tree. Exactly that. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Hit that notification bell.
Ding.
So you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!